The buzz around NFTs is currently at an all-time high. In January 2022, we started to support select NFTs, notably those that have utility or generate value to their holders. Solana is the world's fastest blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem, with dozens of projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and more. The amount of NFTs in Solana has been steadily increasing over time, thanks to its practicality and low gas expenses, which are the primary reasons why people began investing in Solana. The total volume of NFT sales on Solana has topped $1 billion. With all that said, it is a given that there are many ways for you to make money on Solana NFTs. There are many Solana projects out there that you can use for that matter. So look no further. Everything you need to know about making money from Solana NFTs is right here in this video. But before that, hello there! This is Crypto Talks, where all your questions about cryptocurrency are answered. So what are we waiting for? Without further ado, here's how you can make money from Solana NFTs. Transdimensional Fox Federation. Famous Fox Federation, or FFF, is a successor of the Transdimensional Fox Federation, or TFF. On the Solana blockchain, the famous Fox Federation is a collection of 7,777, with over 1 million combinations of randomly generated and stylistically created NFTs. So, how can you earn money from this? Foxes are staked for a minimum of 3 days and a maximum of 7 days. Over time, each staked fox accumulates Foxy tokens. You'll be able to use these utility tokens for future mints, new generations of foxes, and a plethora of other features once you've claimed them. TFFs earn 25 Foxy every day, where FFFs get 100 Foxy per day. Sending some of your foxes on a quest based on the fox's traits can also earn you rewards such as treasure chests and experience. See? Simple and fun. Cosmic Condos. Cosmic Condos is a collection of 3,333 one-of-a-kind houses on Mars powered by the Solana blockchain. The cartoon graphics are amazing and very refined. How can you earn in Cosmic Condos? The holders of staked condominiums will receive Space Gold, which can be used to purchase special Gen 2 Cosmic Condos or mystery boxes. The Space Gold earnings are determined by the land region. For example, the Acid Jungle earns 200 Space Gold each day, while the Nuclear Glacier earns 300 Space Gold per day. What's cooler than earning money on Mars? Blockstars. On the Solana blockchain, Blockstars is a truly social, intensely immersive, and incredibly entertaining music management simulation game. The characters are three-dimensional blocks with unique music instruments. How can you earn here? One of the reasons we like this idea so much is that you don't have to stake it on the web. It is just necessary to keep the NFTs in your wallet. This means that every 30 minutes, you will receive 30 roll tokens per Blockstar in the wallet where they are currently stored at the time of the airdrop. There is no estimated worth per roll at the moment, but it will be utilized as a token in the game. Akuma No Neko. In Solana, this is one of our favorite projects. With 1,555 items, Akuma No Neko is the Akuma vs. Genesis collection. The cat graphics are so adorable, and if you're a cat lover, you should definitely check it out. How can you earn in Akuma No Neko? You can earn Hono tokens every day by staking the Akumas. Over the course of 24 hours, each staked Akuma gets 5 Hono, with a bonus for each week staked. You will be able to generate 1 Gen 2 Akuma if you acquire 300 Hono. Every month, the value of Hono will be increased by 50%. Gen 2 currently requires 450 Hono to produce. Family Soul. Celebrities, politicians, actors, historical figures, and a dragon make up the 6,666 characters that make up the Family Soul. The characters in Family Soul are based on the popular cartoon Family Guy. If you know that show and you love it just as much as we do, then you'll love Family Soul. All the characters here are drawn in the same Family Guy cartoon style, and you'll definitely want to become immersed here. Well then, how can you earn? During the public sale, you can mint a Family Soul character for around 1 Soul each. You will make 0.3 Fam Soul every day by staking Family Soul, which is roughly 30 to 35% APR. Hold on, please click the subscribe button to get a notification for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. What do you think about these money-earning Solana projects so far? On a scale of 1 to 10, how interesting is Family Soul? Tell us in the comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. Solchicks. Solchicks is Solana's most popular play-to-earn NFT and player versus player game. Solchick is based on the Solchick NFT collectibles, and users play as Solchicks in a unique game metaverse. Solchicks' exclusive cooperation with a renowned venture capital and blockchain institution assures a broad reach and a consistent experience. Solchick NFT can be purchased at Solana marketplace stores such as Solanart, SolSea, Magic Eden, and SolShop. Earning Chicks tokens, in-game rewards that may be traded, breeding Soul Chicks and selling them in the marketplace, and earning Soul Coins are all options for players. Solchicks has a long-term vision and a strong team with a track record of launching successful blockchain initiatives. With an excellent community on Twitter and Discord, they have a relatively strong roadmap. NFT purchase is required to play the game. Genopets. Genopets is the world's first move-to-earn NFT mobile RPG, rewarding you for using the digital world to exercise your body, mind, and spirit. You can upgrade and evolve your Genopet NFT by transforming your physical movement and cognitive processes into in-game progression, and you can design your Genopet to make it unique and precious. In the battle arena, you can compete against other players in minigames. Genopets promotes healthy living by rewarding exercise with monetary and social rewards in the form of non-fungible tokens. You can make money by selling your hard-won Genopets NFTs on the open market. They have a great strategy for banking, stacking, competing for the leaderboard, and quests and battles. It's also worth noting that you don't need NFT to play the game. Star Atlas. Star Atlas is a play-to-earn virtual game metaverse set in the year 2620. The first tier of the minigame is currently available, and developing a AAA game will take several years. Star Atlas is based on the Solana blockchain, and it has an in-game money called Atlas that is based on the in-game economy's total growth. Polis is the governance token that represents financial stakes in the game and voting power in the DAOs at each level of governance. It's also a limited quantity that will never grow. Star Atlas has a solid plan as well as an active community and early adopters. You also don't need any crypto or NFT to begin playing Star Atlas. Space Falcon. Space Falcon is a play-to-earn metaverse game based on NFT and powered by the Solana blockchain. Solana Eco Fund, Maven Capital, and partners with Solana, Radium, Metaplex, and SonarWatch have invested in Space Falcon. Space Falcon is governed by the FCON coin, which may be purchased in Radium. On Magic Den, you may purchase Falcon NFT. You may start playing the game right away, and it's available on both Android and iOS. Project Seed. By incorporating blockchain technology and play-to-earn, Project Seed intends to take the mobile game business to a whole new level. A creative team of great artists, talented designers, and top-notch game developers are working on Project Seed. They have tradable NFTs for in-game items such as Zeds, weapons, and accessories. Shill Token allows users to participate in project governance and decision-making, as well as APR for staking rewards, among other things. Project Seed is a mobile game that can be downloaded on both Android and Apple devices. DefiLand. DefiLand is a multi-chain agricultural simulation game created to gamify decentralized finance. It is a play-to-earn game. You can play for free and earn your way up to the play-to-earn tier, compete with other players, craft, and trade. DFL is the native utility token, and it may be used for in-game assets, staking and LP incentives, governance votes, and allows players to decide how network resources are allocated. And that's the video. What do you think? What is your most favorite way to earn money on Solana NFTs? Let us know in the comments below. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated about our latest content. If you want your cryptocurrency questions answered, then Crypto Talks is what you're looking for.